How to cancel Resume Genius subscription and account. I am going to show you how you can easily cancel Resume Genius subscription and account. First, open your Resume Genius account and make sure you log in. Scroll down and click on Help and Support. For your convenience, you can modify your subscription online without contacting customer service. Simply log into your account and click on the My Account link located in the upper right-hand menu. From there, you can modify your subscription, change your billing information, and opt out of their periodic email distribution list. Alternatively, you can contact them at this number from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 12. Scroll down and click on their email link. Select Google to open the email. Enter your email address and click on Next. Alternatively, you can copy their email address. Open your Gmail account. Click on Compose to start a new email. Paste their email address into the To section. Enter Cancel Membership as the subject. In the body of the email, write, I want to cancel my membership or subscription. Thanks. Send the email and they will soon cancel your subscription or membership.